Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another eyeshadow video for Deep Set Eyes for Us. I created this really minimal eyeshadow look that is just going to enhance our eyes, enhance the natural shape of our eyes, and give us a little burst of lightness where we want it and give us some depth where we don't want the lightness, if that makes sense. We're going to be playing around with some application and positioning and doing things probably that is opposite to what you would do for an eyeshadow application, but it created this really pretty kind of happy look to the eyes, and I love the way it looks, super soft and subtle. So it would be amazing if you guys could like this video, subscribe to my channel. It would really help my channel out, and I just love creating this content for you guys. And yeah, you guys like these videos, so that would really help my channel out. All right, if you guys would like to see how I created this minimal eyeshadow look for Deep Set Eyes, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with my cream contour as a guide and as kind of a base for the eyeshadow. So again, this is going to be a really simple look. 2 eyeshadows is all we're going to need. So you need your favorite kind of bronze, neutral tone, and then your favorite light ivory bone colored tone. Okay, so we'll go in with this is Hard Candy highlight and contour, and I'm just gonna kind of go straight across, like I'm cutting this part out. And I'll probably exaggerate the colors on camera so that you can see it better. In person today, it was a lot more subdued. So we're like flipping, we're reversing brightness. We have that really bright brow bone. So we want to neutralize that and brighten up the lid and make the lid area pop. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer with Aloe Vera. I have this in the shade Light Medium, and this will be the other base that we're using. So obviously I'm going to do my inner corners. And then I'm going to kind of do the outside edge of my brow bone, but kind of lift it. So this last little outer edge, just to help with the downturness of my eyes, I kind of want to just trying to change the shape. Put that in the crease area, and then we're just going to blend this out with the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. Just going to buff that down the face. I'm going to kind of pat downwards with this so I don't blend it up into the contour color. So already that just looks like bright and awake here. We're getting brightness here and then just kind of camouflaging out the huge brow bone. So I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution's Velvet Rose Reloaded palette for this look. And it just has a great pigmented light shade that I need, and I want a taupe or a beige or a neutral color that is a little bit warmer that's gonna match my tan, because I just love the way the eye just looks when it just blends right in with all of the bronzer you've got going on. Like, I just think that's so flattering to the eye. So I'm gonna go in with a flat brush so that I have more precision, and into the bright color first. Then I'm gonna follow along that inner corner, brightening that inner corner area. It's gonna make our lid look bigger, neutralize those cool tones up into the crease. Pat this down. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a really simple, natural eye look. And then we can just kind of, on that outer corner, kind of pat that on the outer corner. Like, we want it to look natural. We're not really going for like an eyeshadow look. We're just kind of enhancing our eyes. You could probably do this under a makeup look and then proceed to do an eyeshadow look if you wanted to. Just pat that with your finger just to kind of blend it through. All right, let's go in with our Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. So just a fluffier brush for the neutral color. Let's try to open this palette again. So again, I'm going in with something a little bit more that has a golden undertone to match that bronze. I'm just gonna lightly feather that on. I already have a nice base because of the contour, so I don't need to put a lot on. Just kind of blending out like any imperfections from the contour. And you can go above the brow bone with this because it is such a bronzy tone. Just looks like extra bronzer. Now I'm just going to take this kind of squared dome brush that I was using to blend out the contour. I'm going to go back into the neutral tone and just blend this underneath the eye. And just kind of go feathering it outwards. Go right to the inner corner. So we're creating like these bright pockets. Out at the end, we want this burst of brightness. We want a burst of brightness in the inner corners, and then we're just kind of smoking this out along the lash line. It's really flattering. Anywhere we're using the bronze tones, we're just kind of camouflaging things or pushing the eye back or softening the shape of the eye, and the brightness is kind of where we want the pop. All right, so I put on some liquid eyeliner and mascara. I just followed the shape of my eye with the liquid liner just to kind of give a fuller look at the lash line, and it's just really flattering just to kind of follow the shape of my eye without going out with any wings out here or just messing up the look, the soft, subtle look that we have going on. I just wanted to add a little bit more depth to the eye, so using a little bit of liquid liner along that lash line did the trick. Just put a little bit of mascara on, and this is the eye look. I love the way this looks. I wore it today and I just felt really pretty. I just enjoyed the way my eyeshadow looked and just looked really natural and enhanced my deep set eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can, you guys, subscribe, like this video, leave a comment. It will really help my channel. I love creating these videos for you guys, and it would just help me out a lot if you guys could do that. So yeah, let me know if you try this out, if it works, and I will see you guys again in my next video.